Hey, I'm Rita Rocks and welcome to my YouTube channel, Rock Customs. Today I'm going to be showing you how to doodle. So we're going to create a large scale doodle, and doodling is a style where you draw loads of crazy characters and you basically colour it in with those cool marker pens. So are you ready for this? Okay, so the marker pens I usually use in my art are the Ecoline watercolour brush pens. And they're really cool to use and they're really vibrant. Okay, so let me show you one of my doodles that I've previously done in my sketchbook. This is a small scale doodle. You can see that there's loads of cool shapes and it's really bright, it's really vibrant, and there's just random objects, just a bit like my top. Okay, so you can see here my design's starting to come together, and I've got the characters and I'm working from the bottom to the top and I'm working upwards up to the top of the paper. So with my bubble writing, I'm going to make it 3D. That looks pretty cool. Okay. And I'm just going to carry on all the way a whole of this piece of paper. Okay, so we're now going to get our Sharpie and we're going to go over all of the pencil lines to make them really stand out, and this is called the inking stage. To get the sharp point, tip for you is, instead of doing this, you need to go one way, so you pull it down and then pull it down again, and you get a really sharp point. So just stop each time at the top and then pull it down. So the inking stage is finally done, and all you need to do now is get an eraser and erase all your pencil marks. Okay, so as I said before, I'm using a mixture of Posca pens and the Ecoline brush pen. Okay, so what you need to do is, obviously we're going to create loads of different vibrant colours, but you want to try and mix the colours so that you've got a few different shades. So on this example, you can see on the frog I've got the light green and then the darker green, so it gives it a little bit more tone. So yeah, let's go for it. By doing different shades like this, with a base, a shadow and the darker black, you're going to end up with a really nice finish like this, and it's going to make your drawing really pop out the page. So now we're going to keep going with our Ecoline pens and our Posca pens, and we're going to colour the whole thing in. Let's go. Okay, so just remember, this time I'm using purple. It doesn't matter if you don't have a different shade to add, but just make sure you add some shadow with the black. So I've coloured this in purple. I'm going to get the black Ecoline. I'm going to add a little bit of black shadow in some areas. I'm going to get the purple and I'm going to go back over and blend it in. It just gives a little bit of depth. Okay, it is day 2 and I've finally finished my large scale doodle. It's taken me 2 full days. So, are you ready for the reveal? Let's go. Okay, well, I've finished for the day. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to check me out on my Instagram account at rock.customs, and I am Rita Rocks. And please subscribe to my channel for more art. Bye!